Nuclear waste, also known as radioactive waste, is a broad term that applies to radioactive byproducts from nuclear power plants, hospitals, or research facilities. Uranium fuel that has been used but can't generate enough heat to continue to produce energy, also known as spent nuclear fuel, is considered a nuclear waste. Because nuclear waste is radioactive, the waste can potentially pose health and safety issues for hundreds, thousands, or even millions of years, depending on how long it takes for the radioactive isotopes of certain elements to decay. Uranium-235, the most commonly used uranium in nuclear power plants, has a half-life of 700 million years. This means it takes 700 million years for the radioactivity of uranium-235 to fall below half of its original radioactive value. Nuclear waste is generally classified as either high-level radioactive waste or low-level radioactive waste. Different federal laws dictate how high-level and low-level wastes must be handled, stored, or disposed of. Spent nuclear fuel, a high-level radioactive waste, continues to produce a fatal radiation dose even after the fuel assembly has been removed from a reactor. This means it is critically important for human health and safety that high-level radioactive waste is properly handled and stored. The Nuclear Waste Policy Act is the controlling law for the permanent disposal of high-level radioactive wastes. The act imposed a responsibility on the federal government to provide a permanent disposal location for high-level radioactive waste and spent nuclear fuel. Under the act, nuclear waste generators are responsible for contributing to the Nuclear Waste Fund, which is meant to fund the development of a permanent nuclear disposal repository.